Victoria Sheriff's Department. The sheriff has declared an emergency.
Don't worry, we got P over here!
I need you out of the water now!
Yeah! Hit it, DJ Chocolate Thunder!